vacation to the Aloha State on the beach, and a trip to the Holy Land in Israel. Two getaway destinations Georgia Court of Appeals Judge Christian Coomer and his family enjoy, paid for with money from his campaign account.
He's funding his personal trips with his campaign money, benefiting his family. And even then, he doesn't pay it back.
The campaign cash covered thousands in airfare, rental cars, and gas, including $1,400 in flight upgrades for his wife and 3 children. Here's Judge Coomer addressing the Hawaii trip during a Judicial Qualifications Commission hearing this past December.
And you know you're not supposed to do that, correct?
Well, I later reimbursed them, but yes.
And you later reimbursed them after you were investigated, correct?
Well, I made reimbursements shortly after the trip was over.
Other claims of misconduct include taking out a loan from a former elderly client deemed unfair and unreasonable, and making himself the executor and beneficiary of the same client's will and testament.
It looks really bad when you look at these billing invoices. And I charged this elderly man $80,000 for a guardianship, and his invoices show he only earned between $45,000 and $50,000.
You don't write someone's will and then make it benefit you. It's kind of, movie villain in a comedy kind of level.
Karen Morrison is a professor at Georgia State University's College of Law.
If you're going to be in front of a judge and you realize that this is a judge who has taken advantage of an older person, spent campaign funds to go on trips to Hawaii, you're not going to feel like you're going to get a fair shake. You're going to feel like this is like justice is a joke, and we don't want that.
Judge Coomer blamed the campaign finance issues on sloppy accounting. His attorneys say he never intended to defraud anyone.
This man has a lifetime of good conduct and deserves to wear a robe.
The judicial panel disagreed and recommended the Supreme Court remove him from the bench.
How can the public trust him to sit on the Court of Appeals? They can't.
Now, again, that decision to remove Judge Coomer from the bench will be made by the Georgia Supreme Court. A timeline on that decision is not known at this time. In the meantime, Judge Coomer will continue to receive his $179,000 annual salary. We're live downtown Atlanta. Andy Parati, Atlanta News First.